It's Meteorologist Jim Caldwell here on this first alert weather day. The reason it's a first alert weather day, if you're kind of wondering, because we don't expect anything significant, but travel will be significant. So weather that's more of a major inconvenience can be more of a something that we have to talk heavily about because it can cause more issues with more people out there traveling. That is the big deal with our first alert weather day for today. All right, and tomorrow, because of travel and all those things that go along with it. And it's basically 4 rounds of gusty showers and a few thunderstorms that are going to press through the area. That's the reason why. You're going to get some of that today. It's already raining out there now, and then we could see gusts up to 40 miles per hour or so tomorrow, maybe even higher than that, most likely higher than that at times. We look at the wind gust forecast just for today, and you see these numbers start crossing 20 plus miles per hour later on into the afternoon and evening hours. That's as the first lighter amounts of rain come through. Check out these numbers. This right here is a little more action-packed. That's when you get into that 45 plus mile per hour range. And you know, for all of you out there that are like me, every time we use these maps, it's been a little while. Does this remind you of what we used to call Superman ice cream? You see all the colors there? Sean, do you know what I'm talking about? Yeah, you do. It does. Sorry, every time we use it, I think of that. All right, let's keep going. So the winds are going to be gusty. You keep on heading through time, and they're still on the stronger side here into Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday evening. That will settle down. We're opening the skies up for more rain during that time. And temperatures out there pushing mid and upper 50s to our south, some 40s around here, and those showers are also advancing. All part of that right there, the larger system that's not only going to bring us some rain, but down to the south there, get into Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi. We expect some severe weather out of that. Your Turkey Week forecast, we start things off with the first alert weather days here today and tomorrow, but we look at just Tuesday through Friday when most of the initial travel will be happening. And you can see that by Wednesday we are mainly dry. Thursday, sun and clouds for you on Thanksgiving, and then a stray shower possible on Friday. Last week, I know we talked a lot about the hints of wintry weather. There was a strong indication, but as we got closer to it, it started to fade away, so I'm not as concerned. So if you saw some of those graphics that were floating around out there showing you this significant snowfall accumulation that we did not share, I'm sorry you had to see those because they were inaccurate at that time. That's why we never buy into numbers that far out. We tell you about pattern shifts, as we always do. They're just a little more critical when you start throwing in the word snow. There's your heavier rounds of rain. It was the same system that we have out there now. It just doesn't have as much cold air loaded up behind it and catching up to the moisture to deliver that snow. Ends up being fine on Tuesday, but on Wednesday you start feeling that cooler air as our highs will only hover in the 40s. So certainly a chillier go for you as you start traveling out there. If Wednesday is your travel day, it's a traditional travel day for a lot of folks. Thursday, if you're just going across town, that's when a lot of you are going to do it. If you're like me, my family, we're going to be doing everything on Saturday. So a little bit different for us as well. And the weather looks just chilly at that point. So many different areas to watch over the next few days. And we'll be doing it for you here at WKYT. Make sure you stay with us here, and we'll be back on live television in about 33 minutes for WKYT News at noon. Have a great day, everybody. See you.